Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, happy Easter to all. And yeah, today in the daily newspaper of, let me show you, it's the weekend edition. The Saturday, the Sunday, and the Monday. This edition for 3 days. Yes, because in Easter we have 2 days, the Easter Sunday and the Easter Monday. And so Monday we don't receive a newspaper, and the Sunday also no newspaper. And we have not so good news because we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's medium Sudoku, but also a quintuplet. One quintuplet. There's no additional. That's the sad news. No additional. Let me show you. No additional in the Easter weekend newspaper. So for the 3 days I will do is to solve or to finish the yesterday's edition, the Friday edition. But let me show you first. There's really no extra additional. It's a pity because we have 3 days with one newspaper, so not happy at all. Also for the Sudoku lovers, so we need to continue with the old puzzles. The old puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Let me take the newspaper of the yesterday's edition. This is the yesterday's edition, Friday. Yeah, let's zoom this out. Friday. So Friday we have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. I will do today. Yes, tomorrow on Sunday I will do the Tuesday edition. Yes, because the Wednesday edition I have already done on Thursday. So I will do the 1-star, the 2 stars, the tectonic, and the binary tomorrow with the Tuesday edition. And the Monday we don't receive newspaper. I will continue with the Monday, the last week edition. Yes, April the 11th. We have 3 puzzles left: letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the tectonic. Maybe if I have spare time I will do the quintuplet. I hate those puzzles, but if I have spare time, because those puzzles I need more than 1 hour to solve, so I need also the same time for uploading them. Anyway, let me continue with the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 4415. 4415. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the 3rd column. So the column between the 2nd column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then 1, 5, 6. The 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 7. Then yeah. Then the 5 in this column, the 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 7. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. Here 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Okay. And then yeah, and then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. All right. 2 numbers left in the third column. We have the 9 already, so the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9 as a pair. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Oh, well. 4, 4. 4, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in this box. Here 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4 already. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And now I cannot continue with the 4. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in the third row. So no 1 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. Then we have 1 box left in the second row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and a 5 we have here. We have a 6 already now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1. Then 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in the last row, 6 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be here. 1, 1, okay. 1, 5, 7, 5. Okay. Then we have a pair, the 1 and the 4 in this column, the 1 and the 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have a 7, but also the 1 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 it goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 9. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I am interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 or 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share the data with you. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. We have here the 1, the 2, and the 7, 1, 2, and the 7, 3, 6, and the 1, 3, 6, and the 1, 6, 1, and the 8, 6, 1, and 8. Wow, we have a triple pair here. The 1 and another pair, the 6. Alright, great. Sudoku Medium. I like this one. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a happy Easter day today and tomorrow. Well, it seems we need to continue with the old puzzles, because in today's newspaper, no extra puzzles, no additional. So we will continue with the old puzzles of Friday, of Tuesday, and of last week Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.